Welcome back to Next Stop Ahead. Where are we now? We're at Whitney State Park. This is our second visit to Whitney State Park, and we're here for a specific reason this time, and that is what is called Dillo Days. It's a celebration of another YouTuber, Dude RV. So we're here with a bunch of other YouTubers, having a good old time just to get together, to share ideas, and enjoy some fellowship. Come join us as we explore the park. Thank you.
Next stop ahead, we're rolling down the road. Rick and Martha sharing every note. Jake and Jazz in the back, they sing along. Adventure.
Lake Whitney State Park, nestled in Hill County, Texas, spans 775 acres along the east shore of Lake Whitney. Established in 1951 when the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers built a dam on the Brazos River to prevent flooding, the park was leased by the Texas Parks and Wildlife Department in 1954 and opened to the public in 1965. Visitors can enjoy activities like fishing, swimming, boating, water skiing, bird watching, and geocaching, supported by 2.1 miles of trails suitable for hiking and cycling. The park features overnight camping with tent sites, RV hookups, and screened shelters. Its wildlife includes white-tailed deer, raccoons, squirrels, foxes, coyotes, and bobcats, while bird watchers can spot nearly 200 species such as bald eagles, pelicans, roadrunners, and herons. The landscape combines grasslands and woodlands, with trees like netleaf hackberry, cedar elm, post oak, and plateau live oak, all set on the scenic Washita Prairie. Park rangers lead educational programs throughout the year, making it a vibrant destination for nature lovers. We offer water activities galore, from fishing and swimming to boating and skiing. Fish for largemouth, striped and white bass, or bring home a prize blue catfish. Lake Whitney State Park is an easy driving distance of 3 major cities, with museums, restaurants, shopping, and more.
Doing some other stuff. I want to give the floor for a minute to our tall gatherer.
The attention for, oh, I'm sorry. I meant
Can y'all believe that this is the fourth time we've done this one event?
I can
Kind
believe
of
it.
weird. A lot of y'all weren't here for the first one. Showed up at the next several, but thank you so much for being here today, because I know the weather was kind of freaky at the beginning of the week. And that's the way it always seems to work out for this event. It looks like 2 days before that you're not going to be able to get out of your driveway, but you press forward and you show up, and we have beautiful sunshine. Yeah, we got a little cool breeze, but can you ask for a better day in January or February? I mean, this is crazy. Got a lot of stuff for y'all to take home. Please take it all. I got more sitting on the patio right now. And come show up at the next one in August. We're gonna go to Lost Maples State Natural Area. Not ever been there.
I'm one person, and I may be a group expert, but I'm not the only expert in the group. Several others are now, and I want to share the OG status with those people. So with that being said, the new guidelines to earn OG are five events attended, and at least one type of contribution. And if you have not contributed, then that number goes up. That number goes up by at least one. So, with that being said, I'd like to make our first announcement, OG besides myself, with more than 5 attendance events, and with the contribution, we also call them our new Run DMC, our MC, John and Shelley are our next OG members. So, with that, welcome to the club. Now you have to purchase your own flag to attach that to, or whatever.
It's available on the website.
Get your merch some dude, okay? After the 5 years, you can earn more. There's more. What? Wait, there's more. We'll do hash marks every couple of years, and when
Oh, yes, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Loving it.
Love it. Yeah.
Yes?
Just a little.
It's all good. Yeah.
Yep.
That's what the things told me anyway.
no, it's just for the day.
I brought all.
We ended up having a great time at Lake Whitney State Park. We had so much fun with our new friends and old friends and the get-together at the Dillo Days. It was just a lot of fun and excitement. The weather was a little bit cold on Saturday. I think we were around 36 degrees, but it was okay. The sun was shining, and it really wasn't that uncomfortable at all. Lake Whitney is a great park. It's huge. It takes a while just to drive around the whole park, and it has a lot to offer. Jake and I really, again, had a wonderful time there, and we'd like to thank you for watching.